Man, 7,500 in 3 weeks hands free. Man, when your chart look like this, man, you unstoppable. Let's get this money. Let's go.
No more 9 to 5. The wise man once said there's nothing wrong with working a 9 to 5. You feel me? No more 9 to 5. But you gotta work part-time on your future. Let's go. No more 9 to 5. We out here changing lives. No more 9 to 5. We out here changing lives. No more 9 to 5. No more 9 to 5. No more 9 to 5. We out here changing lives.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy King Pacino, aka Mr. King Crypto, aka Mr. World Class, aka Swish, and I'm back with another banger. Make sure that you like, subscribe, click the notification bell buttons so you get all the notifications anytime I drop, because you know when I drop them bangers after bangers after bangers after bangers. Guys, listen. What if I told you? What if I told you that for all my investors that you can invest and get hands-free passive income? Now listen, I know right now, especially for all my crypto people out there, man, you've been investing in protocol after protocol after protocol after protocol, rug pull after rug pull after rug pull after rug pull, compromise after compromise after compromise after compromise, value going down, all these different things in a centralized place. We love crypto, but we know it's the wild west. And guess what? I'm a firm believer that leadership is everything. What starts from the head trickle from the tail. So it's so important as a community that we put together strong leadership that's going to help us make money, guys. Okay, and I know that if you're watching this video and you're still watching this video, I know that you have the vision to earn money. You have the passion. You want to earn money, and more than likely, if you're still watching this video, you want that income to be passive, because more than likely you're either an investor in crypto or you're an investor in some other form or passion. And so we want to make sure that we're talking to the right audience to, guess what, help you guys out, especially my crypto people, my drip community. We want to definitely give you the right tools so you can diversify your portfolio. Robert Kiyosaki says it best: the cash flow quadrant. You have the E, which is the employee, you have the S, which is self-employed, you have the B, which is building a big business, and you have the I, which is the investor quadrant. And so you have to be able to play in that B and that I in order to be successful. You got to learn how to build a business, which this channel is going to be teaching people how to build business, but you're going to also need to learn how to invest. And guess what? We up right now, man. We up right now. So as y'all can see, I got my phone on share right now, so I'm going to show you guys how we have a very powerful tool. I'm definitely partnered up with some very strategic key partners and friends of mine, man. And guess what? We just get in the bag, and we want to help you get to the bag, because we understand that you're an investor, and guess what? You deserve to get hog nasty rich. So if you're watching this video right now, that lets me know you have the intentions of getting hog nasty rich. So I'm going to give you some tools, guys, and give you a life raft to help those who's ready to take action and go to the next level, because guess what? It's your time to shine, man. So as you can see, here's my chart here. So you can see the chart right now, man. Now we're gonna cover this and show you how this is happening every single day. Say it with me: every single day. So you see the chart right here. Now look, let me show you this real quick here. We're gonna dive in a little bit and show you what's going on in this chart and how you can actually have positive cash flow coming into your bank account effortlessly. Now, as you can see, guys, I want you to look at the dates here, so it's no fluff on here. You can see that's is what, right? August the 10th. Okay, as you can see, so this is about right now. If you're watching this video, today is the 18th, so this is a little bit more than about a week ago. But obviously I have other content I'm creating for you guys that's very important, but I want to come and start really giving you guys some other sauces, because I really appreciate all the subscribers and everybody that's watching the content. So I wanted to give you more about things that I have going on behind the scenes that I don't even talk about, because I know that the community needs this type of leadership. You need leadership that's going to point you to the right direction and not the slaughterhouse. Because guess what? I'm seeing some of these people leading people to the slaughterhouse. They're leading you to the slaughterhouse, and we need to make sure that that's not going to happen. So guess what? Somebody has to step up, and your boy, I'm the one that's going to do it. So listen, pay attention to what I'm going to show you, because this is going to be very, very important to show you what kind of money can be made with your investments and putting your investments in the right way. Sometimes it's not what you know, it's who you know. They say if you want to get hot, stay close to the fire. And guess what? I'm gonna light a fire up for those who want to get hot. And guess what? We're gonna help you get to this bag. So let's go. So as you can see right here, guys, we're in the profits right here. Let me show you this. Right? This is hands-free automated, okay? Hands-free automated system, guys, okay? So if you want to get plugged into a hands-free automated system, as you can see, guys, all wins right here. You know, sometimes we do have losses as well too, so I'm not saying that the bot is going to definitely make all successful trades, but at the end of the day, as you can see, man, hands-free bot that you can actually purchase with us. Learn how to use this. You can get an actual funded account. What if I told you that you could invest, right? You can invest and end up with a $10,000 funded account where you can sync this auto bot to it, and it'll also do trades for you hands-free. All you got to do is turn it on and it'll just print money. We're talking about printing money. Who wants to print money with your boy? You know what I'm saying? I'm just only doing, honestly, guys, I'm only doing this because I know that people need this. I know where you're at right now. Especially if you're in Crypto Millionaires, you're in drip, I already know where you're at right now. You're getting led to the slaughterhouse. You're getting led to the slaughterhouse. They're telling you go and join another drip and all this other stuff. You're getting led to the slaughterhouse. And guess what? I'm gonna be the boy that's gonna come throw out a real life raft so people can make this money. So, you know what I'm saying? Let's continue, guys. As you can see, we're in the profits. As you can see, let's look here. Looking good. Looking good, as y'all can see, man. Money coming in. We're in the profits, 7,600. You know, and what's that, about 8 days, guys? This is real-time data that you're seeing right here. 7,600. You know what I'm saying? Started the account off with a $10,000 funded account. Now we're up almost $8,000, guys, in less than what? No time, right? So let me show you guys. Let me show you here, because this is important, man. You know, we're definitely helping a lot of people. Just scroll over here and show you this real quick. Pop on this real quick, show you the vibes. You know, this is Forex right here. As you can see, we're up. As you can see, what for the month, 49.57%. For the year, 76% for the year. As you can see, we scaling up. Now you tell me where you can get this done in any crypto platform that you're in that's gonna help you get this type of money without, you know, obviously there is risk, and there's always going to be risk when you're investing. So I do want to put that out there. I'm not a financial advisor. I am simply documenting my journey on the largest wealth transfer in the 21st century. So if you want to invest, guys, always follow the #1 rule. Only invest what you can afford to lose. But guess what, guys? We need heroes. We need people that's going to stand up and show people legit ways to make money. There's always going to be a risk. There's always a risk versus a reward. And so we want you to be aware of that, guys. But guess what? We want to show and empower you, because I believe in you guys. And I know that some people are going to benefit from this. So, you know, if you are a part of the Crypto Millionaire, number one, I want to put some disclaimers out here really quick for my viewers, because we look at the data, we look at the analytics, and I've been telling people a couple weeks ago, I'm going to be watching and monitoring the analytics, who's subscribing, who's commenting, who's liking, who's participating, who's a part of the Crypto Millionaire squad, and who's just watching from the outside. Guys, if you want to be a part of this, there's going to be a couple things you're going to need to do. Number one, you have to subscribe to this channel. Number two, make sure you click the notification bell button. Okay. Number three, I'm going to put some information below on how you can join our Crypto Millionaire Facebook group. If you don't have Facebook, I don't know what to tell you, get one. Right? I do have a Telegram there, guys, but I'll be honest with you, it's just Telegram too spammy for me, man. It's too spammy, it's too scammy. I'm just 100. I'm just going to keep it 100 with you guys. I don't like all the scams and all the, all that hackery stuff going on over there. I just don't like that. You know, I like to be able to, when I put systems together to help people, I like to have control over the system. I like to be able to have monitoring done onto the system to make sure that we keep things spam free. So if you don't have Facebook, get one. If you want to connect with me, my IG will be below, which is @KingPacino. You can hit me in my DM me, and then maybe we can get you over to Facebook. But we'll put the link below, guys, because we already started a community. We've got a couple hundred people there, and they're the first to always get anything that I know about or I'm bringing to the table Crypto millionaires are the first to get it. So if you want to be a crypto millionaire, make sure that you like, subscribe, click this notification bell button, click the link below, join our Facebook group, man. We're building this community of crypto millionaires. Our goal, guys, is to help you quit your 9-to-5 and fire your boss. So if you want to be a part of the 9-to-5 movement to live a world-class lifestyle, come and holler at your boy King Pacino, man. You already know what time it is. You know the vibes, man. We're gonna help everybody get to this money. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That's my time. And like I always say, we won't see you at the top. We'll see you over the top. Because
we are changing lives. They told us to do it, and now we done did it. Creating a legacy. Mentality, gotta go up and get it. It's part of my recipe. Since I was a youngin', I knew it was meant to be. It's all in my pedigree. I live in the future, I know what's ahead of me. Enriching my family tree. Big crib with the bins outside, got it. Ride around in the roads, we know I got it. Got a new vision in the game plan, putting that work. Champion to help everybody.